I think love is about accepting the full package, accepting the flaws and the good parts of that person. And I think love is all about compromises. Kasi dati ng bata ko pag sinabi, what is love? Di ba? Parang all butterflies and roses. Ngayon na natutunan ko na hindi lang dapat yung good parts yung tinatanggap mo, but also the bad parts. And I think love is also a choice. You choose to love that person over and over again kasi minsan nag-fade yung love, you fall out of love. But if you choose to love that person every single day of your life, that means your love is true, it's real.
Mahirap i-explain yung love, mahirap siyang i-define. Pero siguro bigay ko lang yung example. Halimbawa, para sa akin yung pagmamahal, meron kang nakitang rosas, natutuwa kang tingnan siya, amuyin siya. Pero para sa akin, pag pinitas mo na siya at inangkin mo na siya, parang nawawala na yung pagmamahal doon. Parang gusto ko, i-appreciate ko siya, titingnan ko siya kung nasan man siya. At hindi ko pakikialaman kung ano man yun, yung gusto mong gawin o ano, basta nandun lang ako.
To tell you the truth, I only really found out what love was when I met my daughter.
True. Iba-ibang love ng parents.
Iba.
Unconditional yan. Ako feeling ko ngayon, yung love dapat effortless yan. Yun, huwag mong pilitin, hayaan mo lang dumating, just be yourself, and everything will work out.
New beginnings. I guess it's that. It's for new beginnings.
Sunrise, tsaka new beginnings, tsaka hope, di ba, na balang araw, kung kaya mong ipaglaban yung pag-ibig, yung pagmamahal na talagang gusto mong makamit, makukuha at makukuha mo rin.
Ako kasi naging routine ko na talagang I pray the moment I wake up. So usually talaga yun, si God talaga. Pero kung hindi naman si God, I like talking to my parents eh. Sila yun talagang kasama ko nagigising ng mga weird hours. 3 to 4, yan, gising na kami. Weird, no?
There's my mom, there's my daughter, and there's my girlfriend. That's it.
Hi, Kapuso Global Pinoy.
Abangan nyo po, Love Before Sunrise.
On GMA Pinoy TV.